Here's what's happened is I broke my Qashqai j10 wing mirror. It's a heated element one, smashed to bits, taped in just temporarily so I can use the car. You got a heating element there, 2 electrodes. So I've ordered a new glass replacement from eBay. It's about £15. It's got the 2 heating elements. You can put either one on it as long as you put these pointing terminals outwards so that the electrodes don't actually touch. Now what happens, I've tilted this motor unit using electrical motor to tilt it downwards so it's facing down, and that allows these two tabs here to lock behind that, and then by leaving these two to click on, I'll put a wee bit of copper grease onto them to force it through. It should be nice and easy now, theoretically, to click it in. I'm gonna have to put down this temporarily while I click it in, and I'll continue. So as you can see now, it's simply clicked on. One thing I've learned is you hook it over the top with it pointing downwards, and then once you've hooked it and you'll quit it on, tilt the mirror motor backwards so it exposes underneath of this aspect. It comes out completely, and then you can actually just push it and it clicks. To remove the mirror is quite simply the reverse of what we did. So again, you pop it out from that aspect, but chances are you're not going to have to remove it. When it's smashed, it's smashed. I hope that has been useful for you. Later on I'm going to make a second video on how to repair the rear casing.